Good day everyone. So maghatag og sample problem karon about the magnetostatics. So nakoy gi-provide nga sample problem. Akong basahon, a long solenoid with 500 turns per meter is filled with a ferromagnetic material that has a relative permeability of 150. If the current in the solenoid is 2 amperes, calculate A. The magnetic field intensity inside the solenoid. B. The magnetic flux density inside the solenoid. So, first, ato i-calculate ang iyang magnetic field intensity. So, the formula of this is H is equal to N times I. So, the magnetic field intensity is equal to the number of turns times the current. So, since given mo siya tanan, ato na siya masulat. So, 500 turns per meter multiplied by the current, which is 2 ampere. So, ato na siyang i-kuan times. So, 500 times 2 is equal to 1,000 ampere per meter. So, nakuha na nato ang value sa magnetic field intensity is equal to 1,000 ampere per meter. So, proceed na punta sa B, which is the magnetic flux density. So, to calculate magnetic flux density, atong gamiton nga formula is B is equal to mu R multiplied by mu sub 0 times H, which is the magnetic field intensity. So, mu R is given, mauning 150. So, ato i-type, ato isulat, 150 times mu sub 0. Ang mu sub 0 is a constant value. So, ang value anak niya is 4 pi times 10 raised to the power of negative 7 H sub M. Then, multiply na po nato sa magnetic field intensity, which is kini the 1,000 ampere per meter. So, to solve this, ato siyang i-calculate. So, 150 times 4 pi times 10 raised to the power of negative 7 times 1,000 ampere per meter. So, atong makuha is 3/50 pi Tesla, or this can be written as 0.188 Tesla. So, nakuha na nato ang B, which is the magnetic flux density. So, mauna ni siya. Therefore, the magnetic field intensity inside the solenoid is 1,000 ampere per meter. And the magnetic flux density inside the solenoid is 0.188 Tesla. So, di na maghuman na itong video, o I hope na amoy ma-learn. Thank you. Ano ba?